G'day, just want to give everyone a bit of a quick rundown of the Daikin air conditioners and their basic features. So this is one of the larger models, the Alira. The Cora is very similar, apart from it just hasn't got the little plastic thing on top. The Alira is slightly more efficient. The main features of the unit are obviously you've got your heating, you've got your cooling, you've also got a dry mode for dehumidifying. You've got 5 speeds on the indoor fan. You also have a quiet mode and a powerful button. So you use that if you come in and it's very hot and you want a quick boost to cool down or very cold. You also have 24-hour timer, a simple sort of 24-hour timer which can be set for 7 days a week. And you also have just an on-off timer for the next day's sort of feature as well. You've got a little indicator up there to see if you're home or not, and the unit will turn itself down if there's nobody in the room. It will swing the air up and down with the vents here, and also it'll swing them left and right, so you've got plenty of options there. And the Daikin units also come with 5 years warranty, parts and labour. Oasis Air Conditioning, we're the warranty agent, so if you do have a problem with the unit, you ring us and we can handle all the repairs and anything that should occur if it does occur after the warranty period. Another big advantage is just the quality of the way these things are made. Just no one really matches it with the quality. Everything's just done right. Just notice like every wire's got a clip, everything's just done really well, and they just last a long time. Spare parts are available too for many years afterwards. A lot of the other brands, after even 8 years, sometimes you struggle to get a part, and that means replacing the unit, which is can be quite annoying. Okay, so just touching on the advantages of using a split system for your heating and cooling. They're extremely efficient. So basically, on average, they produce about 3.5 to 5 times more energy than what they consume. So if the unit's using 1 kilowatt of power, it can be delivering up to 5 kilowatts of heat, and same on the cooling mode. So extremely efficient. Another plus is there's no fumes in the house, of course, like gas and other things. Nothing is ever too hot to touch on the unit. Nothing gets glowing red, it can't catch fire. It's also filtering the air the whole time, so it's keeping the house cleaner and deodorizing as well. So very safe and very economical. Nothing is as economical as a split system. Also, with these split type systems, you can have a single unit, so that's just one indoor unit, and outside down there on the ground is the outdoor unit. Or you can have what we call a multi-split system. So that means you can have more than one indoor unit and one outdoor unit. So you can have a minimum of 2 to a maximum of 5 indoor units. So the advantage of that is you could have one machine almost doing the whole house, really, depending on the size of the house. Everyone gets their own indoor unit with their own remote control. They can change the temperatures to whatever they like, and it's very flexible. The only thing you can't do is have heating on one and cooling on the other, which is extremely unlikely. So very flexible option, and yeah, very energy efficient once again. And I think they're the main features. Thank you.